law. And I think what we will try to do is to work with Congress so that we don't get in your way, you do not get in our way.
But the point is, it's already happened. It's happened with other issues, and this is the big one. This is people's First Amendment rights being violated. We want to know, what are you going to do different this time? And let's just be frank, well, Mr. Holder, you don't have all that much credibility. There are lots of folks on this panel. I'm not one of them, but there are lots of folks here who have called for your resignation. You've been held in contempt and a host of other things. So this is why this question, I think, is of paramount importance.
Well, again, to be frank then, your characterization of Ms. Lerner as lying before Congress by itself, I mean, forget about the investigation.
We'll be happy to show that, and we're going to show it next week, but we want her to be able to respond to us and not say, oh, I can't comment because Mr. Attorney General has got a criminal investigation going. We will show that next Wednesday.
I understand that, but your characterization of her testimony in and of itself, in the way you have characterized it, could, forget about our investigation, could put her in the very situation that you say you don't want to have happen. So it might not.
That's already out there. She's done responded. We have it in writing. There's no news there. It's a fact. I want her on the witness stand and be able to answer our questions. And what I don't want her to do is say, oh, I can't, because the criminal investigation is going on in the Department of Justice.
She could justify, on what the basis of what you said, forget about the investigation. On the basis of what you said, she could say, I can't answer this question because you think that I've already lied and I might be charged with a false.
There's a much stronger, you know this, there's a much stronger likelihood based on what you're doing than what I just said here.
Well, as I said,
you know that's the case.
Our responsibility is to investigate violations of the criminal law. We will do that. We will try to work with Congress in a way that we don't impede that which you want to do. In the same way, I would hope that Congress will work with us so that you don't impede our criminal investigation and ultimately hold people accountable. There is certainly a role for Congress to play in exposing what has happened, but I think we have the ultimate responsibility in holding people accountable, and that is something that is uniquely the ability of the executive branch to do, not the legislative branch.
Mr. Chairman, I yield back.
Chair thanks the gentleman.